Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So many of you guys asked me to create a dashboard section for the Headless Browser API website because it lacked this feature. So if you haven't heard of Headless Browser API, it is a scraper API which will also render JavaScript on pages that you scrape, and it will return the HTML with JavaScript rendered content added to it. Also, it is able to make screenshots or PDF screenshots or many other features. So go ahead and check it if you haven't heard of it. But today I am here with a new update for it. So it has now a dashboard feature. So this was lacking, and many of you guys told me that a dashboard would be really great for Headless Browser API, and I am here today with this feature added. So after you log into the site, you will see it linked in this video's description. You will find a dashboard here. If you click it, the site will display something similar to this. So hello, you are logged in as your username, and you will be able to see some information here. So if you click on overview, you will see this page. Since when you are a member until when you are a member, about your profile, you can view additional information. You can also change your password. You can change your avatar. Subscriptions, you can see what subscriptions have you active at the moment. This account does not have any subscriptions because this is just a test account. So if you have an active subscription, it will be listed here. You will be able to cancel it or to put it on pause. Orders, these are the payments that the account made, and here you will be able to see each payment that you made, and you will be also able to list them. And in the help section, you will be able to get link to the API page. This is the API page from where you will be able to get an API key. This will be unlocked only after you get a valid subscription for the Headless Browser API. Also, it will link to the documentation page, which is this, and you will be able to see here a detailed documentation about how to use the API. But keep in mind, this API is integrated in many plugins that I created. I will link them also in this video's description, so you will be able to check them. And if you need additional help, you can contact me anytime here if you click on this link. Also, a logout button was added because, yeah, it's embarrassing, I know, but a logout button was also missing from the site until now, but now it is added here. So the logout button is once again there and it's functional. So yeah, this is the latest update for the Headless Browser API site. It is much more user friendly. So let me just try and log in again, and yeah, it works. So this is the dashboard, and here it is as it is seen now on the site. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have other ideas on how to improve this website and this API and this service, let me know and I will implement them. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.